This window shows the contents of the Synchrogenix template suite. The suite contains a robust set of content templates, which are arranged in folders corresponding to the CTD modules. For Module 1, templates are available for the United States, Canada, and the European Union. In addition to the content templates, the suite also includes an installation guide, a user guide, 2 workbooks, and 2 practice documents. The Synchrogenix style guide is also provided for your convenience in case your company doesn't already have a style guide of its own. An Excel file listing all of the contents of the suite enables you to quickly and easily find the template you need. An installer is also provided to make it easy for each user to install the suite on his or her own machine if necessary. This .dotm file contains the styles and other toolbar functionality. This file resides on each user's own C drive.